Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to track training attendance in Monday.com. This is your complete 2025 guide, so let's jump straight into it. The first step is to set up a board specifically for tracking training attendance. To do this, click on Add, then select Board. Giving your board a clear and descriptive name helps you to stay organized. This is important because as your platform grows, you'll need to be able to quickly identify this board among many others. Now that we've done that, the next step is to add columns for the specific data you want to track. You'll want to include columns for participant name, date of training, and attendance status. This helps us because these are the core data points that will give us a clear picture of our training attendance. Next up, you'll want to add each training participant to your board. You do this by clicking Add Item and typing in their name. The reason we do this is to make sure every participant has a specific row dedicated to their training attendance. Now here's where the magic happens. After each training session, you'll update the attendance status for each participant. This is done by clicking on their row and selecting Present or Absent. Let me explain why this matters. Keeping consistent records allows you to track trends over time, identify who may need additional support, and ensure that your training program is effective. Finally, with all this data at your fingertips, you can generate reports on your training attendance. To do this, go to My Week and select Reports, then choose Attendance. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Monday.com is using the data you've input to create a visual representation of your training attendance. So there you have it. You've just set up a system for tracking training attendance in Monday.com. Remember, consistency is key here. The more data you input, the more valuable your reports will be. And that's it for today. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time with more practical guides.